Hello to all traders and people who want to become a trader. I've been trading for 8 years and now let's see what you heard about trading. Traders, as you know, earn $1 million a day.
Bullshit.
We work 30 minutes maximum per day.
Bullshit.
We fly to Bahamas every weekend.
Bullshit.
By the way, I'm here to enjoy my pina colada for the next 2 weeks.
What the fuck is this?
Gregorian. Gregorian.
I'm here to tell you the truth about trading. By the way, you can call me Gregorian. Here we will talk about no bullshit trading and I will show you how and where to start your trading career. First, let's try to understand who is a trader. Trader is a person who buys and sells different assets, securities, to make money on these speculative operations. For example, you buy one share of Amazon for $100 and sell it for $120, and your pina colada is just here.
Gregorian.
Now you know who is a trader, let's pass to the start of the trading. First of all, you need to understand your goals and why you go into the trading. I'm instructing 4 years now and I can give you 5 types of traders. First, people who are bored. These people started appearing to the market during and after the pandemic. It is connected with mass unemployment and much free time. It's like a person who's sitting at home doing nothing and he remembered that someone in his neighborhood made a lot of money on Bitcoin in 2017. He thinks, I can do it too. And as experience shows, when life returns to its usual circle, these people are returning to their usual jobs too. So as you could guess, these kind of people just wasting their time and time of their instructors. So if you are in this type, please just don't come to the trading.
Yeah, get him the hell out of here, will you please? Get him out of here.
Second type, people who dream to become an overnight billionaire. They don't care where to try their luck. It can be betting on the sport, stock market, or even casino. They want to make cash fast and go to Maldives with a hot girl. I guess no need to say that these kind of people have nothing to do in trading. Don't come and don't make your life even more complicated.
You can get the baby out of here.
Third type, people who are interested in numbers, calculations, financial systems, and how real economy works. When I came to the trading, I was in this type and I had wrong information about trading because of internet propaganda. I thought I will start trading and millions of dollars will flow to my pockets. But market showed me my place quite fast. The market doesn't care how well I learned maths at school. So I had to change my approach to trading. So friends, if you are in this type, you still have good chances, but you need to understand why you are coming to trading and what you want from trading. Fourth type, people who want to combine their main job with trading. I know some cases like this when people started combining trading with their main job, and later when they start earning enough money from trading, they leave their main job and become full-time trader. You must understand that if you try hard, you will have good results. But you need to spend twice more time than ordinary traders. The more time you give, the better result you will have. Fifth type. These are the people who really understand where are they coming. They understand that it's impossible to earn thousands of dollars immediately after the start. They are ready to work hard to put themselves fully into the trading, analyze their results, and move forward. People who don't have illusions. These people have the highest chance of success. I will help you to dive into the trading without illusions and I will show you trading without bullshit. So friends, comment below and say what types of traders do you know. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel not to miss the upcoming videos. Next time we will discuss where and what market you can start. See you soon for No Bullshit Talk.